For this DIY, you're gonna need 2 circular styrofoam from Dollar Tree, a foam base like this. You will find this in the floral section Dollar Tree, a bell-shaped jar, candles. I recommend electronic candles or even better fairy lights. You're also gonna need white paint and sanding paper. Cut the top circle so that it is slightly smaller than the bottom circle. To get a perfect circle, I'm using duct tape as a stencil. Once you're satisfied with the size, sand the edges down. Now apply a few coats of white paint as a base. Glue them together like this and let it dry for a day. If you want it to be quicker, you can use hot glue. Also, don't forget to paint the base. So this is how it looks after a few layers. Now, we're gonna glue the bottom of the glass to the base. You can pop any electronic candles or fairy lights now. Then, hot glue the circle to the top. I wasn't very happy with how it looked because I wanted to be more rustic. So I decided to use nutmeg brown paint from Walmart to go over it. And this is the end product. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.